Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the new QR code for Instagram, how you can scan it and use it. So when you're on Instagram, go to the settings on the top right and then go click on QR code. There you get different options like colors, emojis and selfies. So when you're on colors, you can change the colors by tapping in the background. When you are in emojis, you can go and tap in the background and you can choose any emoji you want. It shows in the background, like that. Next we have selfie, which showing your face and changing your glasses type, like that. Oh god, a mustache, no. Maybe you got a QR code and want to scan it on the PC or your phone, whatever. Choose your camera on your phone and go over the QR code. It pops up like open the website, click on it, and now you see I'm in my Instagram. Check out my Instagram and my YouTube channel. I got lots and lots of tutorials about Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, many more. Check it out. See you later. Bye bye.